How to see who visited your Instagram profile. Are you curious to know who is secretly viewing your Instagram profile? Well, today I am going to reveal the best possible ways to track your profile visitors on Instagram. Stay till the end because I will also share a bonus tip at last. So let's find out who visits your Instagram profile. First, you need to switch to a professional or creator account. Here is how to do it. Open Instagram, tap on your profile. Tap on three lines. Scroll down. Tap on account type and tools. Switch to professional account. Tap on next. Choose the category. Tap on switch to professional account. Choose creator or business. Tap on next. Not now. Now tap on professional dashboard. If you don't see this option here, tap on three lines. Tap on insights. Views. Here you will see the option of profile visits. As you can see, one person has visited my profile. There is also an accounts reached option that shows how many people your account has reached. Although Instagram Insights won't show exact names, it gives you analytical clues about your audience behavior. If someone likes or comments on your reels regularly, if they follow, unfollow or send random DMs, this shows they have been checking your profile. These are the signs you can use to know who visited your Instagram profile. Now let's talk about the bonus tip. Use Instagram's close friend feature. Add just a few people, post a unique story and check who views it. This method works best to know who's active on your profile. You can't see exact visitors, but you can find clues through stories, insights and reels. Drop a comment below if this helped you. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more Instagram tips like this one. Thank you for watching.